Hello everyone, this is Sikagard and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Today, I'm going to share with you a practical case study and application of using Sikagard 703 GroutSeal, a water repellent impregnation for tiles joints and building surfaces. This video was shared to us by one of our customers, Uncle Lim. Let's roll it!
Ayo, Uncle Lim, why show us your toilet lah? Come, show us where's the problem. Okay, this is the wall that is being shared by the room and also the toilet. Alright, I can see some patches of watermarks and also the results of water seepages. Okay, you can see some mold there, the black color thing. Alright, on the other side, okay, this is blistering. Can you see that? This is what I call blistering. And this is blistering plus paint peeling off on the other side of the wall, which is next to the balcony. Okay, oh, what is this, Uncle Lim? Okay, alright. Uncle Lim, can you actually show us again the main issue there on the wall? Yeah, next to it. Alright, guys, can you see that? This is quite a mess, right? This is horrible because of the water seepages. To solve this, you need to scrape off the entire wall as much as you can until you see the cement base. Honestly, this is not going to be an easy job. Keep scraping and scrap and scrap and scrap and scrap and scrap until you get this. Well, you might not be able to remove all the paint, but okay lah. Uncle Lim, that's already a very nice job already. Next, just let the room dry, air dry lah, for a few days, and let's fast forward. This is Sikagard 703 GroutSeal, milky white in color and transparent when dry. Pour it out into a container. You don't have to dilute it with water. Can be applied directly using a brush, roller, and also by spray. I would recommend a minimum of 2 coatings. Of course, the more the better lah. And I should have informed Uncle Lim about using a roller instead of a brush. He's gonna kill me when he finds out. Eh, where is Uncle Lim lah? This is Uncle Lim. Wow, what a nice short brief. Sorry, Uncle Lim, I need to fast forward. Finally, you are ready to repaint back your wall. Wow, Uncle Lim, I very respect you leh. Repainting the entire wall by using a brush. You are damn power, man. Okay lah, enough of bode. Let's hear it from Uncle Lim himself.
After using this Sikagard 703 GroutSeal, the wall is looking good and there is no watermark or water seepage. So I would recommend that those that facing this similar issue and problem can use Sikagard 703 and help you solve the problem. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Uncle Lim, for sharing his hands-on experience on fixing his water seepages issue. And for those of you who are facing similar problems, please consider using Sikagard 703 GroutSeal. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in my upcoming home improvement videos. Bye bye for now.